Now that we have built our walls and put our door in, we're going to put fillers in. So the most important thing is to start with our library. You can just click on this, it has a drop down, or you can come up to library and choose JL Closets. So once you do, the easiest way to do it is just to type it in. Because in this particular room, we only have a 96-inch ceiling, we're only going to build 84 inches. Generally, in Reaching Closets, because of the soffit, we're also only going to build 84 inches. So I'm going to choose an 84-inch filler. I'm just going to click it once and notice that my cursor has an arrow up. I'm going to come over here and just drop it anywhere. Doesn't matter how big it is when I drop it because I'm going to change it here. I'm going to make it 0.75 or 3/4 of an inch. We're always going to do one on the walls, no matter what. If we go wall to wall, there will always be a filler. And because here we're going from wall to wall, we need to have the fillers. So I'm going to start with the left. I always, just like reading, I start left to right. I'm going to start with my 3/4 inch filler. It's going to be on 0. 0, it means it's 0 inches from this left wall. So I'm going to hit OK, and it's going to move my filler all the way over to the left. For some reason in the system, they're pre-programmed at 16 inches deep. I only need 12, so I'm just going to change it and hit OK. But if you need to manipulate anything, all you have to do is double click on the number and then manipulate this box. So we already said we wanted it to be 12 inches. What I just did is the magnifying. So I wanted to zoom in on this particular area. You just click and drag it, and then click the magnifying when you want to get out of it. So I want to copy this to this side. You can do it one of two ways, and I'm going to do them both ways. I'm going to draw another one. But did you notice how, I'm just going to hit cancel. See how it goes up and down? That's how you know it's going to be on this particular wall. Sometimes the fillers get a little funny. And do you notice it's now horizontal? So it's actually going to be on this wall. It's not where I want it. So I'm just going to click and drag it up and over until it's on the wall I want. Again, 3/4 of an inch. I now want it to be on the right side, which is going to be here, and 0 inches from this right wall. And then I would have to double click again, make it 12 inches, and now I have my fillers. The other way to do it is just to copy it. So I'm going to delete this, and again, there are several ways to do this. You can double click on the number, hit erase, or you can click it and drag it all the way to this garbage can. So I'm going to copy this, double click. I'm going to go right to right so that it ends up the same exact 12-inch deep, 83 7/8 of an inch tall filler. So I want it to be right to right, 0, and I'm going to hit copy. If you don't hit copy, the only thing it'll do is move it over. So now we have added fillers.